Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday at the Primal Professor, and today's topic is an important one. It's the topic is before you start keto, ask yourself this. This is the Daily Spoonful, and today we're slowing things down to start smart. Before you start keto, I want you to ask yourself one powerful question. What medications am I on? Why? Because keto works very fast, especially if you have high blood pressure, blood sugar issues, or inflammation. But if you're on insulin or blood pressure meds and you start keto without adjusting, you can end up lightheaded or worse. Today's nugget. Keto changes your chemistry, so your prescriptions may need to change too. One client I had was on 2 meds for her blood pressure. Within 10 days of starting keto, she felt dizzy every time she stood up. Turns out her blood pressure normalized, but her meds didn't. Her doctor ended up adjusting her dose, and just like that, clarity, energy, and no more spinning head. So here's the strategy. If you're on meds, especially for diabetes or hypertension, talk to your doctor before you start, because keto isn't just a diet. It's a shift in how your body runs. Start strong, start safe. And if you haven't watched my video on 11 things to do before you start keto, now's the time. I'll see you tomorrow for another Daily Spoonful.